So hello everybody, this is a new type of video. It's about knives and I'm going to be unboxing my two knives that I have. First is a Honey Badger Warren Cleaver. It's a small version. Here it comes with a product information and warranty guide, and it's like the care of what you have to do. It comes with a sticker and comes with a tool if you want to like clean your knife, the inside, or swap out if you're left-handed, to swap out this. It's made out of HCR 13 MOV steel, stainless steel. It's a nice knife. And here's my other one, made from Kaiser. So here it comes with this, a pouch. I'm going to open it. So it also comes with like a thing to tell you what you have to like do maintenance, and it comes with this nice cloth for after, like if you were cutting apples or anything, to clean it. And here's the knife itself. It comes with some extra bolts there, screws. So here it is. Has this nice handle here. It's a Kaiser Rapid, made out of, let me see if I can focus. If it focuses. Made out of 154 cm stainless steel. It's a very beautiful knife. It's from opening it's very easy to open. You come here and you flick it like that. So yeah.